We're at the Nature and Science Center. Going here for the second time. It's very woodsy. You could observe like snake skin, animal bones, and it's all free. It's like the craziest thing. And they have this very interesting thing. It's a cottage. Just like a random house here. Homeschoolers know about this little free library. And it's locked. Oh. Yeah, there's like nothing in there. Huh? Yeah, we saw a school bus here. So there might be a lot of kids here. Butterfly crossing. What? Oh, that's funny. I saw demonstration. But it's demonstration. Oh yeah, and they have a Dino Pit right here too, where the kids could actually shovel out and clean dinosaur bones. Field trip of kids, a lot of kids. We're going to the Dino Pit right now.
Are you recording me?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're so excited.
This is the bone.
Buried underneath.
You clean the bone like that. See, it's dirty? Clean the bones. Good job. We are on the dock now. Huh?
Yeah.
What's that?
There's a dive.
What?
It's a fish.
See fish?
Yeah.
The reason why I started these vlogs is pretty much for memories. Now we're gonna get ready to go see animals. They have a whole group of animals here. And again, it's free.
It's a baby.
It's a baby fox.
Yeah.
Oh, like. And a bobcat. Yeah, look at that. It's like a ginormous cat. Big cat.
Here's a wake up.
He woke up.
Yeah. It's a bobcat.
Mordecai, come on.
No, wait, no.
So down here are all caged animals. Porcupine. Don't see it. They have so much stuff in their cages that you can't even see the animals themselves. It's almost as if there's nothing there. Alright, so this is where the reptiles are. And I guess the reason why they closed it off is because of the field trippers. Oh look! Iguana. It's the only thing we get to see today. So we are checking out now their birds of prey section. This is where all the birds are, obviously. I always wanted to see a velociraptor here, because I mean that is a bird of prey. So this is a Harris hawk.
Daddy cuckoo. Daddy cuckoo.
Did you say popo?
Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Vulture. And a turkey vulture. They have a turkey vulture? Swainson's hawk. And a crested caracara. Is that one? Oh, that one has an injured leg. How sad. Turtle.
It's funny how they put a turtle and a roadrunner.
I know, together. Epic to see that roadrunner eat the turtle.
Or on a race.
Beep beep. We have here a great horned owl, and it is up there. Where are the owls, girls?
That's two.
Two?
Yeah. Four.
This is a trail?
Wow.
Dry Creek Trail. This is very, very rocky. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Dun, 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 dun. We're just gonna chill here, have some snacks. Wow, there's kids down there. Dang! They went pretty far down. Wow. So we're going back into the entrance. They have a beehive where you can actually look into. See, they go in through there into this little tunnel into their little beehive. That's better. They killed this for display. Oh no, they're butterflies, cockroaches.
It's spiders.
Oh yeah, there's a spider. Where's the spider? There? This boy wants to see everything. Yeah, so you could observe pretty much all small insects too. Alright, baby. Check it out. No bueno. What do you find interesting?
All these
What's that?
cow skull.
A cow skull? How about that? Let that traumatize you for life. Oh, that's such a nice view. It's like a little greenhouse. Yeah, I got the bees already. You know what that is, Kitana?
Yeah, it's scary.
It's a scale. Uh-huh. And you're supposed to balance it. Baby, just don't break that. So we're on the other side now. What are you looking at, Kitana?
It's a ladybug.
Ladybug?
Yeah.
What are you looking at, Kidira?
It's a butterfly.
Looking at a butterfly?
Yeah, me fly.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Oceans and water. Dulse. Do you like spiders, Kitana?
Yeah.
You like spiders?
Yeah, it's scary.
They're scary, huh? See a scorpion? Hey, look, it's the skull from Lion King. There's just so much stuff to look at. Highly recommend this place.
Free.
That was our day at the Nature and Science Museum here in Austin, Texas. Subscribe if you like our stuff. See you guys in the next video.
Secrets, if you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers? What happened to being your brother's keeper? Nowadays, kids more work.